In this video, we will move, resize, and rotate a shape within Indesign CS6. After creating a new shape within Indesign, you may find yourself needing to move, resize, or rotate it depending on the situation at hand. The good news is that once you create a shape, you aren't bound to its position or size, and changing these types of things are quite easy. To begin, we will create a shape within the document. I'm going to add a new rectangle to this document by selecting M on the keyboard, left-clicking, holding, and dragging to draw the shape. To move the shape, I first must activate the selection tool by selecting V on the keyboard. Selecting the new shape can be a bit tricky. Notice that I'm left-clicking within the shape so that I can drag it to a new location in the document, and it's just not moving. This is because you must select the center point or a border of the shape in order to move it within your document. I'm going to click my left mouse button and hold. Then I'll begin to drag the shape to a new location. I'm going to move it again, but this time I'm going to select the center of the shape and then drag. One final way that I can move the shape to a new position is by specifying the X and Y coordinates of the center point of the shape. Notice that as I increase the X coordinate of the shape is moving to the right in small increments. If I were to use a down arrow in the X coordinate, it would move it back to the left. Same concept applies to the Y coordinate. As I click the up arrow, the shape moves down. As I click the down arrow, the shape moves up. Next, we'll discuss resizing the shape. Resizing a shape is just like resizing a text frame, image, or any other object that we've worked with in the past tutorials. To resize the shape, left-click on one of the sizing handles and hold your mouse button, then drag your mouse to resize the shape. Notice that you can also resize the shape by typing a specific size in the width and height options in the control panel, or by scaling the shape using the control panel as well. Finally, we'll discuss rotating the shape. There will most likely come a time when you want to see your shape rotated from its original position in the document. There are two ways to rotate a shape within Indesign. First, select a shape using the selection tool. Then hover your cursor around one of the corners of the border of the shape until your cursor changes to a double arrow. When this happens, click and hold your left mouse button, and then move your mouse until the shape is rotated how you'd like it to be. As I mentioned previously, you can rotate a shape in another way, which involves increasing or decreasing the rotation angle in the control panel. To do so, select the shape, and then use the up and down arrows or select a rotation from the drop-down menu in order to rotate it to the exact degree that you'd like it to be at. This concludes our tutorial on moving, resizing, and rotating a shape within Indesign. Fortunately, the process for completing these tasks are the same as moving, resizing, and rotating other objects, which is a nice consistent feature of this software.